Blush Moments is a new collection from our friends at Hunkydory. Now this is the Fabulous Finishes collection. This is the card kit, and there are 2 each of everything I'm going to show you. Now in total there are 110 foil die cuts. You are of course going to get the idea sheet that comes with this. And let me show you what's inside. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that gorgeous foiling. And as I said, you're going to get 110 foil die cuts. So you can see all the artwork. And the artwork is going to be duplicated in the coordinating elements. So you'll see that. So all the foiling, all the borders. I love it when it's like this because there's 3 there, 3 there. And then you're going to get, let me see, it is 8 foiled cardstock. So you can see the foiling there and there and there. Again, 2 of each one I'm showing you. And then you're going to get 8 that are printed. So here are those 4 because you're going to get 2 of each one. Yes. So there you go. Now, in addition to this beautiful collection, there are also coordinating elements. So let me bring these out. Here it is with the card inserts. I've had requests for this, so we're bringing it to you. There are 12 sheets. They are all different. Now again, because they're inserts, they're ghosted back images of what you've just seen. The idea is that you can use these on the inside of your card, but I know, clever you can put them on the outside of your cards too. Make those foil die cuts just do extra duty. And if you've been counting, that should be 12, and that takes care of these 12. Now, we also have more, and the more includes the Blush Mary cardstock. And yes, we have ordered more because I remember the teal ones. And these are in that same beautiful rose color. You're going to get 10 of them. They are A4, so generally 8.5 by 11, and they're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Now, in addition to this, we also have some acetate, and the acetate looks like this. You're going to get 2 each of 4 different designs. So let me show them to you separately. So you can see the foiling's been done on the borders. The butterflies are fluttering. We have the swirls. It looks, there's kind of glitter in there too. It's just gorgeous. We also have the hearts. Very, very pretty. And we also have the corners. There you go. Whoops, with my note on it. Okay. Again, 2 each of those. And yes, we ordered extra. Now, I'm not done. We also have an paper pad that looks like this. And this is a 5 by 7, I believe, 5 by 8. And there are 12 designs. You're going to get 4 of each one. So let me show you the 12. So here you go. Looks like that. You're also getting these greetings. Very, very nice. And again, you're going to see that artwork in many places in the collection. Let's see, it probably helps if I just show them to you like this. So even though you're getting a total of 48, you are getting, some of these have 2 on a sheet, so that's pretty nice. You're getting 4 of each sheet. So that works beautifully, and I think you're going to love that. And there is one more piece to this. Well, actually, there's 2 more. There is the cutting die. It's called Butterfly Dance, and has this beautiful edge. It's almost like lace, isn't it? And those butterflies thinking of you is the greeting. In addition to that, there are 2 concept cards. There is this one that is the floating centerpiece, and there's another one which is the circle easel. And at paperwishes.com, I've given you a video on how to construct these, but the directions are included. So the Blush Moments, you've got a paper pad, you have foiled acetate, you have the Miri cardstock, you have the inserts, and you have this absolutely beautiful card making kit all together and all at Paper Wishes.